I'm just going to do a quick unboxing of some freebies that just arrived from Cloudray. A knife and open this up. Let's see what we got. They certainly put enough tape on here. Okay. Some stickers. These are for making rubber stamps. So a couple of little rubber stamp handles and a couple of wooden coaster blanks for engraving. Some wooden keychain blanks for engraving. This looks like a cell phone holder that you can engrave to personalize. A piece of 1/8 inch plywood. This is looks like adhesive backed rubber, probably for making rubber stamps. More 1/8 inch plywood. This looks like cardstock for cutting. I'm not going to open that up. And this looks like a mouse pad for engraving. So that's a nice little collection of materials for future projects. This thin Baltic birch plywood is pretty pricey, so that's nice. Keep that sealed. And let's put this in there. So anyway, that's it for this this little unboxing.